Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all good. I'm also good. Please watch full video because I'm writing all Asian common names in this video. So don't forget to watch full video. It's just a 4 minutes video. I'm writing all Asian comments. So please watch video carefully and get your name. If you can't get your name after watching full video, comment your name under the video. I will draw your name after that video will be right in must right in next video. And don't forget to like the video guys, please. It's my humble request, please like the video. You forget to like the video, you get your name but you don't like my video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you can't get. Okay guys, thank you very much for your kind support. We'll meet you next video.